Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2007 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6323. This ran from 11th 2005 to 11th 2012. It has a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front bonnet no dents. Left front 17-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Right front 17-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,